Today we're studying about the structure of the nucleosomes, or it is also called as an octamer of four histones. Chromosome consists of longitudinal threads called chromatids, which connected by centromere. The chromosomes are composed of nucleoli protein called chromatin. Chromatin consists of DNA, histones protein, non-histone protein, and RNA, out of which DNA and histone protein are more in quantity. Under electron microscope, the chromatin fiber appears as a structure like beaded structure. You see here, this is the beaded structure, this one. The beaded structure is made up of repeating units called nucleosomes. Each nucleosome is a bead-like particle about 60 angstrom unit high and 110 angstrom unit wide. And double helix DNA is without around core of 8 histone molecule. The segment of DNA joining the beads called linear DNA. Each linker DNA. Each linker DNA has molecule of histone proteins, that is H1, attached to it. This arrangement looks like beads on a string in which a number of nucleosomes arranged in a linear sequence. This sequence undergo coiling to form a chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber undergo further coiling to form more quantity of DNA in pack more quantity of DNA in small g. The chromatin looped undergo further tight packing to form individual chromosome due to further coiling, and supercoiling string of beads produce nucleosome fiber. Nucleosome fiber then produces solenoid fibers. This you see here, this one. This is the schematic representation of the solenoid fibers. The solenoid model under electron microscopic study by Evans in 1981, and it revealed that the chain of beads, that is nucleosomes, are once again coiled and formed a structure known as solenoid. The, the solenoid is about 300 angstrom unit in diameter and has 6 to 7 nucleosomes for each turn of the coil. The nucleosomes looks like disc shaped rather than spherical. You see here, this is the structure of solenoid like this one. The solenoid is turned coils to form a super solenoid with a diameter of 4000 angstrom unit. The super solenoid is the unit fiber that is chromonema. The chromonemal coils ultimately gives rise to chromosomes. Electron microscopic studies of chromatin fibers in interphase nuclei and mitotic chromosomes have revealed a thick fiber which consists of closely packed nucleosome. This fiber probably arises from the folding of the nucleosome chain into a solenoidal structure. In chromatin containing H1, The chromatin fiber can be folded into such structure simply by increasing the salt concentration. At 1 mm salt, the usual zigzag appearance is observed. At 5 mm, the nucleosome come closer together and the concentrations over 60 mm, a thick fiber is found which is having a diameter of about 200 to 30 millimeter. The whole structure is stabilized by interactions between H1 molecule in neighboring nucleosomes. The H1 molecule can interact with each other because they are located in the central hole of the solenoid. Histone H1 is thought to play a fundamental role in these condensations because solenoids cannot be formed when histone H1 depleted chromatin is treated in the same way, although other structural arrangements have been proposed for the thick fiber. The solenoid model remains the most likely form of the chromatin foldings. The DNA of 30 mm solenoid has a packing that is about 40 folds. Okay, thank you.